Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news for all OnePlus fans out there. Max Jambor, renowned for his accurate OnePlus leaks, has spilled the beans on the global launch of the much-awaited OnePlus 12 5G. Brace yourselves, as the launch is set for January, and we've got all the juicy details right here. Let's start with the OnePlus 12's display. Prepare to be amazed by its stunning 6.7-inch curved edge AMOLED screen, boasting an incredible 2K resolution and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But that's not all. OnePlus has taken it a step further by incorporating LTPO technology for adaptive refresh rates, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. On the front, you can expect a top-notch 32-megapixel selfie camera, ideal for capturing your best moments in high definition. Now, let's talk about the rear camera setup, a photography enthusiast's dream. The OnePlus 12 will house a 50-megapixel Sony IMX9 series main sensor with OIS for shake-free shots. Accompanying it is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect for those breathtaking landscapes. And let's not forget the 64-megapixel Omnivision OV64B unit with 3x optical zoom for getting up close and personal with your subjects. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is rumored to pack a punch with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Hold your breath, as Qualcomm is set to unveil this beast at the Snapdragon Summit 2023 event in October. Brace yourselves for seamless multitasking, as the Opus 12 is expected to offer up to a whopping 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring that you breeze through even the most demanding tasks. And for all your storage needs, you'll be delighted to know it comes with up to 256 GB of lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage. When it comes to software, OnePlus is known for its smooth and customizable Oxygen OS experience. And with the OnePlus 12, it gets even better. Expect to find the device running on Android 14 OS, accompanied by the latest Oxygen OS 14 skin. This combination promises an intuitive and user-friendly interface, elevating your overall user experience. For those of you worried about battery life, OnePlus has you covered. The OnePlus 12 is rumored to pack a hefty 5,400 mAh battery, ensuring you can power through your day without worry. But here's the real kicker. It supports blazing fast 100-watt wired charging. Say goodbye to those long charging sessions. And, if that wasn't enough, you'll also have access to 50-watt wireless charging, making it a convenient option when you're on the go. There you have it. The OnePlus 12 5G global launch is scheduled for January, and it's undoubtedly a smartphone that's set to impress. With its mesmerizing display, powerful performance, and impressive camera setup, OnePlus has once again raised the bar. So mark your calendars, and stay tuned for more updates as we approach the launch date. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news.